welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Google. Google is an American multinational technology company focusing on artificial intelligence, online advertising, search engine technology, cloud computing, computer software, quantum computing, e-commerce and consumer electronics. It has been referred to as most powerful company in the world and as the one of the world's most valuable brand due to market dominance, data collection and technology advantages. Field artificial intelligence alongside Amazon, Apple, Inc, Meta and Microsoft. Google parent company Alphabet Inc is one of the 5 big tech companies. Formerly Google Inc 1998 to 2017 type subsidiary traders NASDAQ, ZOOGL and GOOG. Industry Internet, cloud computing, computer software, computer hardware, artificial intelligence, advertising. Founded September 4, 1998, 25 years ago. Menlo Park, California, Interstate. Founder Larry Page. Sergey Brin. Headquarters Google Plus, Mountain View, California, US. Worldwide. Key people: Sundar Pichai, CEO; Ruth Porat, CFO; Tom Kurian, CEO of Google Cloud Products, Search, Workspace and Base, Pixel, Nest. Full list number of employees 1,39,995 2021. Parent Alphabet Inc, subsidiary AdScope, Android and DeepMind, Endaxon, FeedBurner, Fitbit and Image America, Caltex, Nestlab, YouTube Development, AS and 15,169 website about Google. Google was founded September 4, 1998 by the American computer scientists Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were PhD students at Stanford University in California. Together they own about 14% of publicly listed share and control 56% of stockholder voting power through the super voting stock. The company went public and via initial public offering IPO in the 2004. In 2015, Google was organized the wholly owned by subsidiary Alphabet Inc. Google is Alphabet's largest subsidiary and the holding company for Alphabet Internet properties and interests. Sundar Pichai was appointed CEO of Google in October 24, 2015, replacing Larry Page, who became the CEO of the Alphabet on December 3, 2019. Pichai also became the CEO of Alphabet. Company has since rapidly grown multitude product and services of beyond Google search, many of which hold dominant market position. These products address a wide range of use cases including email, Gmail, navigation, WASP, map, cloud computing, cloud, web browsing, Chrome, video sharing, YouTube, productively workspace and operating system Android, cloud storage drive, language translation, translate, photo storage, photos, video calling, Meet, smart home, Nest, smartphone, Pixel, wearable technology, Pixel watch and Fitbit, music streaming, YouTube music, video on demand, YouTube TV, artificial intelligence, Google Assistant and BAT, machine learning, API, transfer and flow, AI chips, TPU and more. Discounted Google product including gaming, STADA, Glass, Google Plus, Reader Play and Music, Nexus, Hangouts and Index by email. Google other venture outside internet service and consumer electronics including quantum computing, Psych camera and self-serving cars of Waymo, formerly Google self-driving car project, small city sidewalk lab and transformer model of Google DeepMind. Google and YouTube are the two most visited websites worldwide, followed by Facebook and X, formerly known as Twitter. Google is also largest search engine, mapping and navigation application, email provider, office suite, video sharing platform, photo, cloud storage provider, mobile operating system, web browser, ML framework, AI virtual assistant provider in the world measured by market share. Unlisted most valuable brand, Google is ranked second of the Forbes, fourth by the Interbrand. It has been received significant criticism involving issues such as privacy concern, tax avoidance, censorship and search neutrality and antitrust abuse by the monopoly position. History: Google original homepage had been simple design because company founder had been little experienced HTML markup and language used to design web page. Google was initially founded August 1990, invested by $1 lakh from Andy Bechtolsheim, co-founder Sun Microsystem. Initial investments were served by Motivation Incorporated company to able to finish the use fund. Page and Brin initially approached David for advice because he had nearby office in Stanford. and they know had been startup experience, having recently sold the company. He co-founded by Granite Systems Cisco for $220 million. David arranged the meeting of Page and Brin, his Granite co-founder, and Eclipse meeting was set up the 8 a.m. front of Porch David Homer Palo Alto. It had been brief of acute anti and another meeting of Cisco where he know the worked after the acquisition at 9 a.m. anti brief tested by demo of the website like the Shand went back his car and to grab the check. David Saturn later also joined 250,000 investment of Google, received money from two other angel investor 1998 Amazon.com co-founder Jeff Bezos. Entrepreneurs of Ram Sriram Page and Brina had been first approached Sriram was the venture of capitalists for the funding council of Sriram invested 50,000 Google in February 1998. Sriram knows as the Bezos become the Amazon had acquired the jungle. Sriram was president. Was Sriram who told Bezos about Google. Bezos asked Sriram to meet up the Google's founder. Then next 6 months after the Sriram had made the investment when Bezos and his wife were in the vacation of the trip to Bay of Area. Google initially found in the round of the had already formally closed Bezos status and CEO of the Amazon was enough Page and Brin to extend round and accept his investment. Between these initial investor friend and family, Google raised around $10 lakh, which is allowed to them to open the original shop in Menlo Park, California. Greg Silverstein, fellow PhD student Stanford, was hired by first employee. After some additional small investment through the end of the 1998, early 1998, new $25 million round funding was announced June 7, 1998, with a major investor including the venture of capital Kleiner Perkinson and Sequoia Capital. Both firms were initially reticent about the investing jointly in Google. Each wanted to retain the large percentage control over the company themselves. Larry and Sergey, however, insisted the taking investment from both. Both venture companies finally agreed investing jointly $12.5 million each due to their belief of Google great potential through the median of earliest angle investor Ron Conway and Ram Sriram, who had contacted the venture company. Growth March 19. Company moved office of Palo Alto, California, which home to several prominent Silicon Valley technology startups. The next year, Google began the selling advertisement associated with the search of keywords. Again, Page and Brin initial opposition toward advisory funded the search engine to maintain an uncultivated and Page advertisement were solely text-based. And June 2020, it was announced by Google would become the default search engine provider and Yahoo, one of the most popular websites at the time of replacing Inktomi. In 2003, after outgrowing two other location company leased office complex from select 1600 Amphitheater Parkway, Mountain View, California. Complex become known as the Googleplex and play the world of Googleplex. Number of 1 followed by Google zeros. There are later Google bought the property from SGI for $319 million. By that time, Google of the had found way into everyday language, causing web of Merriam website of Collegiate Dictionary, Oxford English Dictionary. Did not use Google to search engine apply information internet. First use of the verb television appeared by October 2 episode of Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Additionally, 2001. Google investors felt the need to have strong internet management and they agreed to hire Eric Schmidt as the chairman of CEO Google. Eric was proposed the job from Kleiner Perkins had been trying to find CEO Sergey and large wave would be accepted several months, but they rejected the several candidates because they want to retain control over the company. Michael Moritz from Sequoia Capital, 1 point even the manager requesting Google immediately pay back of Square $12.5 million investment. They did not fulfill their premise to hire chief executive officer. It had been made verbally during the investment negotiation. Eric was not initially enthusiastic about the joining Google either. Company full potential had not yet been widely recognized at the time of he was occupied with the responsibility where he was the CEO. As the part of him joining, Eric agreed to buy the $1 million Google preferred stock way to show the commitment to provide the fund of Google needed. Initial public offering on August 19, 2004, Google is become the public company via initial public offering. At the time, Larry Page and Brin, Eric Schmidt agreed to work together Google for the 20 years until the year of 2024. Company offered 1.9 share at a price of $85 per share. Share were sold online auction format from using bullet by Morgan Stanley and Credit Suisse. Underwriter for the deal, sale $1.67 billion, have Google market capitalization more than $23 billion. On November 13, 2016, Google acquired a UTF of $1.65 billion Google stock. On March 11, 2018, Google acquired DoubleClick for $3.1 billion, transferring Google valuable relationship DoubleClick had the web publisher and advertising agency. By 2011, Google was handling approximately 3 billion search per day. To handle this workload, Google built 11 data centers around the world. The several thousand were in each, and these data enter allowed to Google to handle ever-changing workload more than if. May 2011, number of monthly unique visitors to Google surpassed a billion of the first time. May 2012, Google acquired Motorola Mobility, $12.5 billion, largest acquisition data. These purchases were made part of help Google against the Motorola considerable patent of portfolio and mobile phone wireless technology to help product, and Google ongoing patent dispute the other company, mainly Apple and Microsoft, and allow it continue freely offer Android. 2012 onward, the June 2013, Google acquired Vazi $66 million deal, and while Vazi would remain the independent entity, social features such as crowd sort and a location platform were reportedly valuable. Integration between Vazi and Google Map, Google One Mapping. Google announced launch new campaign called Caligo September 1913, led by Apple Inc. Chairman Arthur Levinson. Official public statement page explained the health and well-being company would focus on challenges the aging and associated disease. On January 26, 2014, Google announced had agreed to acquire DeepMind Technology, privately held by artificial intelligence company from London. Technology news website record of reported by company was purchased $400 million, yet resource of this information was not disclosed. Google spokesperson declined comment that the price purchase DeepMind aids into Google recent growth of artificial intelligence robotics community. 2015, DeepMind AlphaGo and become the first computer program defeat top human pro and came of the CEO. Under the according to Interbrand annual best global brand report, Google had been second most valuable brand new in the world, began the Apple Inc. 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 with the valuation of $133 billion. On August 10, 2015, Google announced plan of reorganize various interests as a conglomerate and named Alphabet Inc. Google became the Alphabet largest subsidiary and umbrella company. Alphabet and internal interest upon the completion of the restructuring. Sundar Pichai became the CEO of the Google, replacing Larry Page, who became the CEO of Alphabet. Current Google CEO Sundar Pichai with the Prime Minister of India met the meeting in India. On August 8, 2017, Google fired employee James and after distributed memo throughout the company argued bias and Google ideological echo chamber, clouded thinking about diversity, inclusion, and that biological factor, not discrimination along the cause of average woman to less the interest and many in technical position. Google CEO Sundar Pichai accused Dam violating company policy by advancing harmful gender stereotype and over workplace and have been fired the same day. Between 2018 and 19, tension between the company leadership to work on the escalated, staff protested company decision and internal sexual harassment and Dragonfly sensor sign. Search engine, Project Maven, military drone and artificial intelligence had been sent the area where revenge growth of the company. On 18, New York Times published exposed how Google protected anti-Ruby and father Android company. Subsequently announced that 40 employees have been fired over the last 2 years. Sexual misconduct on November 1 to 18, more than 20,000 Google employees and contractors tagged global walkout protest company handling sexual harassment complaints. CEO Sundar Pichai was reported support to protest. Later in 2019, some worker accused the company retaliating and against the internal activity. On March 19, 2019, Google announced that would be enter the video game market, launching cloud company and gaming platform called Google Stadia. On June 2019, Interstate Department Justice reported that would be investigate Google antivirus violation and led to filing the antitrust and lawsuit of October 2020. Ground company had abused monopoly position search in the search of advertising market. December 2019, former PayPal Chief of Operating Officer Bill ready to become the Google Now Commerce of cheap and ready to roll will not be directly involved in the Google Pay. April 2020, due to COVID-19 pandemic, Google announced several cost-cutting measures and such measures including slowing down hiring remained 2020 except a small number of strategic area, recalibrating and focus pace of the investment in area like data center and machine and non-business and essential marketing and travel. Most employees were also working from home and due to COVID-19 pandemic and success for it even led by Google announcing that they would be permanently converting some their job into to work from home. 2020 Google service outage and distributed into Google services on in August 19 affected the Google Drive and among other another November and affecting YouTube and 3rd December affecting entire suite of Google application. All three outage were be resolved by the thin hours. 2021 Alphabet worker union was founded composed most of the Google employee. January 2021 Australian government proposed legislation would Google and Facebook to pay media companies for the right to use their content In response, Google threatened close of the access to search engine Australia. March 2021, Google reportedly paid $20 million and the UPI soft port and Google's STID and Google spent tens of million dollars and getting major publishers such as UPI soft and Take-Two bring some their biggest game in STID. April 2021, the Wall Street Journal reported that Google ran a year along with the program called Project Bear Market that used to be data from past advertising bids against the advertising over competition service. This was in document concerning antitrust and lawsuit filed by US and state of again Google in December. September 2021, Australian government announced plan to curb Google and capability of the sell targeted ads, claiming the company has monopoly market harming publisher, advertisers and consumers. 2022, Google began the accepting requests for the remote phone number and physical address and email address from the search result. Had previously accepted requests for the removing confidential data only, such as social security number of bank account, credit card and number of personal signature and a medical record. Even the new policy, Google may remove the information from only certain but not all search and queries. It would not be remove the content and broadly useful for such as news article and already part of public record. May 2022, Google announced that company had acquired California-based micro LED display technology developer and manufacturing startup Axiom is set up the joint Google device service team and develop the micro optics and monolithic integration system integration. Early 2023, following success in ChatGPT concerned that Google was the failing began the AI race and Google senior management issued code written under the directive that all most important product, those with more than billion users must incorporate generative AI within months. Early May 2023, Google announced the plan of bullet new additional data content OHIO. These center which will bullet the Columbus and Lancaster will power up the company tools including AI technology. These side data hub will be at the already operating center of near Columbus, bring the Google total investment by OHIO to over $2 billion and product and service search engine. Google indexes billion web page to allow the user to search the information they are tested through the use keyword operator according to ComScore and market search from November 2009. Google search is the dominant search engine in United States of the market within market share 65.6%. May 2017, Google enabled the new personal tab and Google search, letting the user search for the content that Google account, various service including the email message from email and photo and Google photo. Google launched Google News service into 2 and automated service with the summarizes the news article from various websites. Google also hosts Google Books, a service which is search into text from the book of database and show limited previews until the full book were allowed. Google expanded search service to including shopping launched origin as the Fragile of 2002, finance launched 2006 and flight launched 2011. Advertising. Google generated most revenue from the advertising including sales, app purchase made in app and the digital content product and Google and YouTube, Android and licensing service fees including fee received by Google Cloud offering. 46% profit was from the click cost per click and amounting $10,09,652 billion to 17 include three principal method of namely ad mob and ads such as AdSense for the content, AdSense search etc. and double click ad exchanges. Addition to open algorithm for understanding search requests, Google user technology from recursion of upquestion, double click project user interest in target advertising search content user history. 7, Google launched AdSense mobile tracking advertising chart of emerging mobile advertising market. Google Analytics allow the website owner to track their how people they are using website. Example is examining click rate all the link of the page. Google advertisement can be placed third party web. 2-part program Google Ads allow the advertising display the advertisement Google Content Network through the cost per click scheme. Sister services Google AdSense and the allow website owner to display this advertisement website and earn money every time and ads clicked. One of the criticism this program was possibility click fraud which occurs the person automated script click on the advertising without the being interested in the product using the causing advertiser pay money to the Google unduly in the industry of the report 2006. Claimed that approximately 14 to 20% of click fraudulent and invalid. Google search console the rebranded and from Google Webmaster Tools in May 2015. All of the Webmaster made the site map and crawl rate of the security issues their website and well optimize the ability of the website visibility. Consumer service, web-based service. Google offers Gmail for Gmail, Google Calendar, time management and scheduling, Google Maps for mapping, navigation and satellite imagery, Google Drive to cloud and storage fields and Files, Google Docs, Sheet and Slides and productivity, Google Photo for photo storage and sharing, Google Keep note taking and Google Translate for language translation, YouTube for video viewing and sharing, Google My Business and for managing public business information, and Duo OC interaction. In the March 19, Google unveiled cloud gaming service named under Stadia, and job search product was also existed since February 2017. Google Job enhanced search and future aggregate listing from the job board and career site. Some Google services are not web-based. Google Earth launched Wi-Fi allowed user to high definition satellite picture from all the over world are the free through the client software download and their computers. Software Google developed the Android mobile operating system well as the smartwatch, television, car, internet for the things enabled to smart device and variation. It also developed the Google Chrome and web browser and Chrome OS operating system based on Chrome. Hardware Google Pixel smartphone display and store, and January 2010 and Google released Nexus 1, first Android phone under the own brand. Found number of phone and tablet under the Nexus branding until the eventually discontinuation 2016 and replaced by the new brand called Pixel. 2011 Chrome back and introduced the which run of the Chrome OS. Chromebook to Chrome OS, and July 2013 Google introduced the Chromecast and dongle which allowed the user to stream content from the smartphone to television. June 2014 Google announced Google Cardboard and simple and cardboard of viewer that let use the play smartphone special front and compartment which is used virtual reality VR media. Other hardware products include Next series voice assistant, smart speaker and can answer the voice queries, play music and find information from the app and calendar, weather and control third-party smart home appliances. User can tell the turn on the light, and for example Google Nest line including original Google Home, later succeeded the Nest Audio, Google Home Mini and later succeeded by Nest Mini, Google Home Max and Google Home Hub and later by rebranded the Nest Hub and Nest Hub Max. Nest Wi-Fi original Google Wi-Fi connected with the set Wi-Fi and router simplify extended coverage home Wi-Fi. Enterprise service Google Workspace formerly G Suite until the October 2020 and monthly and the subscription offering the organization business to get the access to collection of Google service including Gmail, Google Drive and Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides with the additional administrative Google and tool of unique domain named 24/7 support. On September 24, 2012, Google launched Google Entrepreneurship, largely not for profit business incubator providing the startup co-working space of known as the campuses with assistant startup founder may include the workshop and conference and mentorship of presently there on 7 campuses location Berlin, London, Madrid, Sao Paulo, Tel Aviv, Warsaw. On March 15, 2016, Google announced that introduction of Google Analytics 360 suite of the set integrated data and marketing analytics product designed by specially more than need to enterprise classes marketer which can be integrated BigQuery of the Google Cloud Platform. Among their other the suite of design to the help enterprise of the class marketer see the complete customer journey, generate the useful insight of deliver engaging experience the right people. Jack Marshall of the Wall Street Journal wrote the suite of competes the existing marketing cloud offering companies including Adobe, Oracle and Salesforce and IBM. Internet service February 10 Google announced Google Fiber project experimental plan to build ultra broadband network 50,000 to 5 lakh customer in one or more American cities following Google corporate restructure to make the Alphabet into parent company. Google Fiber was moved to Alphabet Access division. April 2015 Google announced Project FI into mobile virtual network operator company Wi-Fi cellular network from different telecommunication provider effort to enable seamless connectivity, fast internet and signal. Financial service. As more mature company, Google has made the many move of financial service. August 2023 become the first major tech company to join the Open Wallet Foundation, launched early in the year of whose goal was the creating open source of software for interoperable digital wallet. Corporate affairs, stock price performance and quarterly earning. Google initially public offering IPO took place of August 1904 and IPO's company offering the 1.9 crore share and price of $85 per share. Sale sales $1.67 billion gave the Google market capitalization more than $23 billion and stock performed well after the IPO, share hitting $350 first October 31 to 7 primarily because strong sales earning in online advertising market. Surge of stock price was fueled mainly individual investor opposed to large institutional investor. Mutual fund and GOOG share split into GOOG class C share and GOOGL class A share and companies listed NASDAQ stock exchange under the ticker symbol of GOOGL and GOOG under the Frankfurt Stock Exchange under the ticket of symbol GGQ1. These ticket symbols now refer the Alphabet Inc. Google holding company since fourth quarter to 15. Third quarter to 5, Google reported 700% increasing profit, largely due to larger companies shifting their advertising strategy from newspaper, magazine and